Dito sa Rated Corina Limon, saksihan ang Fuji Flower Festival sa Japan, Sea of Lanterns sa Indonesia, Amazing Fiesta sa India, ano-ano pa, syempre. Pagdating naman natin ang Sinitic Festival sa Nueva Ecija. Madali ito, join kayo sa mga pista around the world. Mahilig ba kayong mag-travel? Mahilig ba kayo sa mga kakaibang adventure? Yours. Ang tanong, may budget ba?
Ayun lang, wala.
Huwag mag-alala dahil dito sa Rated Corina, sagot namin ang biyahe niyo. Mamamasyal tayo together para makita ang mga engrande, makapigil hininga, at pangmalakas ang selebrasyon na
nakakuha ka ng
sa
sabon?
panig ng
Ha?
mundo.
Nakakuha ko ng
Kailangan nyo lang
Lakot?
gawin, relax, at manood sa amin. Libutin natin ang mundo in 3, 2, 1.
Oh.
Let's go!
Teka lang, titingnan ko eh, nahanap ko eh.
Ano sasabihin mo po mama, ikaw na po magsabi. Mama, sasabihin mo po kay Tita Chacha. Wala po sa akin.
Hindi ako nakakuha ng raccoon.
Tapos na po i-update.
Of the challenge cup.
Nescafe Gold. Enjoy expertly crafted coffee every day.
Of the challenge cup, which was the former name of this year's ABC Nations Cup.
Woods within, getting a touch there, and he was denied. How about that start for the legend of Thailand itself?
And the best outside spiker recognition for Anu.
And those players will stay in this Thailand roster. It's a back row hit, Red Rollers, Filipinas. Steven Rother denied. And Ibolo staying aggressive, puts within, rejected, but that went outside for the first point of Team Philippines.
Which includes
5-4 Thailand. At the hard deep ball, down the line target for Steven Rother.
and Adaharos also showed signs of
Oh.
tremendous ball distribution.
Ilalagay yung mo.
Ganito for Thailand.
Yung sugar apple.
Kanino pupunta?
Sige.
Depensa ng Pilipinas.
Nice block against Isada. Team Philippines looking good here as they get the lead, but 8-9. Pass set to Martin.
Oh, nice.
Great denial by JP Bugawan.
Learning courses with Woods Budin. And again, dating magkalaban sa college, ngayon magkasama sa national
Wala,
team.
nagutot ka.
International play, those fake hits early on the sets. Woods within, getting a hand.
Against the triple block.
Here's Taiwan. Nice block by Alas Pilipinas.
Bugawan making his presence felt. Bugawan against Chinese Pak Taipei.
Ayaw na tourists.
Against Pakistan, national team teammates.
That's put up by Eko Adahar. And here's Mark Espejo down the line. Grabe yung ilag doon ng Fortet.
Kung tinamahan ka nga naman yan, hindi lang touch. Kundi may pasa, pinapapasa.
At worth it naman ang ilag niya dahil pumunta sa labas ng bola. Si Marcos New Zealand and then Alas Pilipinas versus New Zealand.
Single round robin.
Oo.
This was supposed to be 12 teams this year, but Kazakhstan pulled out.
Yep.
Few days before the opening of this competition.
Ball up by Chaiwa. Here's Anura. The cross and nobody there.
Bigat naman ang dinasama.
This is already looking like the best blocking game in the tournament, by the way, for Tagibolos. Ball put up by Adahar. Kaling King goes right. Rotter got a hand. The crowd is feeding it in Bahrain. Anura down the line.
That was an explosion coming from Anura. We mentioned earlier,
What happened in the Alas Invitationals? Set number 1 will belong to Thailand with a score of 25-21.
one step ahead, Thailand over Alas Pilipinas, winning by 4 points. Making full use out of the many services.
Ball put up by Jacqueline King. And here's Louis Ramirez.
Huh?
Target.
Louis Ramirez played his best in that game, I believe, against Indonesia, scoring over 20 points. The pride of the Perpetual Alpha so far, but the number of attempts, minsan doon nagkakatalo. Kasi sa mga blockers, katulad yan para sa Pilipinas. Good coverage.
Ramirez on cue.
Oh,
4-1. Good start from the Thais.
sige.
Stephen Rotter.
Teka lang, nangangan ako.
That was such a great play.
And two players on the
Ayun.
opposite end with the approach. Pick your poison. This one, delaying the double block.
He's got a triple-double in the last game.
Yes.
12 points, 10 digs, 7 receptions.
Oh, not a break, not a break.
Hit by Bunyarin. Ramirez was subbed out courtesy of Jackson Reed in the first game. As it is another quick Thailand for Thailand. That's why he started scoring.
And he gets a touch. And then he does. Here, older than 7 or 13 years old. Oh,
Alam.
Morales on the drop. They
Ano
haven't
yan?
scored yet, by the way. Adura met at the net.
Ubus na ang nakain ko na.
When he goes up in the air.
Sabi mo.
Regalo yun. That's too
Ay,
easy
nabi
for
isang
himself.
taon.
that can't happen.
For the first ball, but it's received by Jacqueline King. Ramirez hits. He's denied. Reed to
Ako
save
ay
it.
labing
Orgianes from the
isang
right.
taon.
Nice, nice, nice.
Ako ay
Odom
labing
service in. Sipay na napat. And Sanura could not be dug up there by Jackson Reed.
There's Quesada and the left. Kanina, baba nito. What a serve.
Taiwan.
Oh, smart.
Quesada sending it through. Echo recalculates. Back row. Jackson Reed almost stepped to the line, by the way. It's Anura dug up by Jacqueline King.
Babi,
Ramirez denied. Coverage present.
anong nasulit?
And a chance ball given up by JP
Ikaw na
Bugawan.
yung maglalagay?
Bunyard to the quick. Quesada will now prevail. Thailand to try to end it. Chaiwat will do so off of the timeout. Back row to Woods. And he prevails against Quesada.
Within his back. He was lethal in the first set loss. Probably in terms of percentage, siya yung pinakamataas ngayon para sa Alas Pilipinas.
Meron din po niya bagay.
And how many times have we seen Quesada
Dalda.
send that back?
Yeah.
First time I've seen talagang iniskuran, dinaretso.
That has to
Isang
bring up the spirits of Alas Filipinas. That will bring up the spirits of Thailand. Quick! Imagine ko na sulit na yung mga outlet store ng Thailand.
Leon? Oh, bigat.
Cross court for Chaiwat.
Yes, into zone 5. As quickly as possible. Kasi super hot.
DNPs in the first two games. Isada is prevailing there against the blocker of Yales. It's put up by Anura. To the left, Taiwan pushing it through.
Playing it safe.
Adahar going to Louis Ramirez. Tried to give us a bullet there and it worked. Louis
Kuha ko tala.
Ramirez.
Ha?
In the battle of
Spaceship pa daw
Figueres,
tala.
definitely
Spaceship.
safe.
Kirby, nakalimutan ko pala dito.
Ang sakay.
Si Tanapan.
Oh,
Ito.
Barahan.
Ulit ka mo?
Palitan ng side out.
Inulit ko. Kulang din yung sinulat mo. Wala yung C, oh.
See?
Oh. Ako ay...
Oh, may nagulat ako. Nagulat na talaga ako.
Alam na, lipat ako.
Papi, punta na ulit tayo sa may mga clouds.
Sampag. Dito po sa may mga clouds ko eh.
Labing isang taong gulang.
Nasampag.
Ala, nahulog ako.
Thailand with a methodical win here against the Philippines.
Nandito po sa may mga clouds ko eh.
Antay mo ako, Bobby.
Looking good in its classification
Easter egg
phase.
event.
Only 1 win away. That's going to
Ano
be
po
against
yan?
New Zealand on Sunday to try to bag that 9th rack in this tournament. And those Filipinos will rest up and they will take on New Zealand.
Ito, lilipad ako. Hawak ko yung list. Lilipad ako.
Galas.
Bobby, nandito na ako sa mga clouds. Malipad ko. Tama mo man yun ah.
Tara.
Ano yun? Wala na.
Chen denied at the net. Now recalculates onto the middle.
Bobby, tingnan mo.
Gia opening up. And Laure puts it away.
Big block from Aya Laure. Down 2, up 1. 3-point turnaround. Laure. And then
Ayun na tala.
Oh,
joining forces.
Ano yan?
Offense was strong
Ulit, meron
for the
ulit.
Philippines.
bakit ulit?
Third set, right.
Siguro hindi tayo lang kapunta sa mga
Now it's back.
Hindi. Ulit ko nga daw eh.
76 Las Filipinas.
Ano
Chen
sa yung si ano?
deflection. The save by Aya.
Then nahulog ako.
hindi ako
Very
nahulog.
tough, but still sent through by Bella Belen. Chen again. That hit the linesman absolutely outside.
Ay, hindi pa ako nahulog.
And now,
Pupunta ako sa may
play
OB.
a big lead and feeling the pressure.
Ako'y mauna.
Since that time, it has been a 5-1 run generated by the Philippines. Now they're making mistakes. Now they're feeling the pressure.
Kalalo ko, kasama ko yung
What about the
Moonmelon ko
leadership
tala.
by Gian de Guzman?
Makasama ko yung Moonmelon ko.
No!
Sides. Las Filipinas up 8-6 in set
7
number
minutes na
5.
lang pa.
Again, what is at stake? It is at least a silver medal finish, which these two countries have not yet achieved in the
One final open stock before the summer seeds come. Hala, mawawala na po yung ano.
Sid?
Ito pong si Sam. Hindi po mawawala na po itong ano po, yung tao po sa seed shop. Ay, tao lang? Na bili ko ng pin. Ano yun?
halfway done in set number 5 of the
Bamboo.
semi-final battle between Las Filipinas and Chinese Taipei.
Lagay ko na to.
86, Bella Belen will be serving.
Something we haven't seen.
Punta na ako.
Quarter 1. Philippines ahead.
Kalalo ko.
Served by Bella going in, attack from the left. Check to the score. Regalo yun. It's still safe.
Bubuksan ko na yung ano, DX ko.
Stuck up. Chen
I think okay na yung ano ko.
rejects
Bayan, tagal mo man.
Sharma.
That's a big one.
Sabi ko,
This
Big, please, 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 please.
laki nito.
Up at 9-6.
Ala,
6-1
nakakailangan na ako
major
nito.
blast here in the fourth.
Ilan?
The Philippines have responded
Dami ko ng
extremely
beat.
well amidst the pressure.
For the semifinal, Phoebe Sharma, her best performance was 8 points versus Iran. Even had 7 points. in
Uy, ano to? Bakit may white?
the first time that she has scored in double figures.
Philippines is halfway there.
White daw
The
po.
ball.
Oh, ano yun? Tomato yun eh.
Not sure where
Last
that hit
winter
better than
seed shop. 5 minutes na lang po. Ayan na po, sa your goodbyes to Sam daw po. Ito po, yung nag-sell po ng seed shop.
very hard to save that one. 7-9. Pass by Jen Yerba. The ball off to Solomon. It's kept alive by Chinese Taipei.
Babi oh!
Chance ball for Gia.
A big
Ano yan?
chance.
Tingnan mo!
Send it to Aya.
Patingin nga.
It's missed.
Hindi, ano yan?
A costly error by Chinese Taipei. Su Wanyun.
Magkano
They
kaya
are
yan?
providing the
Tomato
maximum
seed
points
yan!
and the points.
Yung tomato seed ba
Again,
yan?
experience is going
Hindi
to
naman yan
count a lot
seed.
here. And now they're showing us why she, some of the top players in the
Naman?
country, have pressed big on them.
For a woman that didn't even play in the first half of this match.
Aluin ko na to.
delivered
Pinang-receive na.
Seed.
Tignan mo po si Tita Chacha, oh, katabi niya po si Sam.
Phoebe Sharma.
Anong seed kaya ba?
Tita Chacha. Tatala, tignan mo mama mo.
Oo, nakita ko na yan.
It is an error by Fifi.
Philippines riding the crest with a 7-2 run earlier,
Tala, tignan mo.
surrendering a 3-point. Jan 8. Chinese Taipei on serve.
Focus, pumpkin,
They have their captain,
bamboo,
Bijan Liao, sending it in.
lily, mushroom,
Quick hit. Counter from the left.
berry, rose,
And Su
beanstalk.
Wanyun.
Dalawa na po yung beanstalk seed ko po.
This is a chance ball. Liao.
Ala, yung berlili.
It's Chow. Across.
Lili na seed?
Aya Laure. Denied.
Mama, beanstalk po, tsaka po yung berlili. Mama!
After the score split,
Bro!
10-7.
Dirty ka na. Paper pa.
Dami!
Mushroom!
By the tallest player, that's Khan.
Grape tala.
Dami, mama!
Flamingo. Dragon fruit.
Yagon.
Oh, wait, dragon fruit. Meron pa ba akong dragon fruit?
Dragon fruit. Oh. Lagay ko na yung mga seed ko. Lagay ko na.
Ha? Mamaya na ako na maglalagay.
Okay.
Sam, if providing.
They got a lot of fire coming out of Aya Laure here in set number 5.
Ala, yung berlili na naman.
Kosher boys,
Lili?
of course.
Gali tala.
Net defense.
Tingnan mo. Ngayon ka lang nakakakuha ng
10-9, 10-7 earlier, 2-point run. Philippines
Coconut.
looking for a critical side out.
Itong bili ko yan.
Service. The captain here.
Tala, bamboo. Ang daming bamboo.
Aya Laure. Got a hand. That's a tough save. And Aya will prevail. Quite dangerous, by the way.
Captain trying to chase. The good thing about Aya is that even if she's
Ang
not
dami
playing,
ko pong seed.
she has always been connected with her teammates. So, pinaka-active
Okay, sell lang ako.
talking to the lines playing extended and extensive minutes, not minding the fact that she gets less for time. Once she gets the chance, now let's see if the Philippines will finally be able to close out.
Man, what a service ace that was. Completely catching Chinese Taipei off guard.
Zombie? For the Filipinas, 3 points clear. Chinese Taipei. I won't say 3 points to close it out. It's just a 3-point lead for the Philippines in a race to 15.
Tala, di pa pala nanginginig. Tatala. Sabi mama mo, OMG, dami-dami dami.
Ano yun?
Ba't wala sa akin sound?
It is is now 12 serving nine.
Uy, Bobby, may party!
Wala, 1 minute na lang.
May party, may party!
Wala.
Party, bakit ganito?
Lakas ang pwede.
Getting the job done.
This game for Chinese.
Ang laki. Ang laki na kay Dado.
Oh.
Alay, may tumudo malaki.
Wala na yun.
Binenta mo? Binenta niyo daw po.
Okay na lang.
Please. Wala, yan na.
Chinese Taipei.
Summer harvest. Sampo. Wala, Tala, may trailer. Tala, wala kang ganto?
Ha?
Wala kang ganto? Wala, wala po si Talang trailer.
More serious than this. All Chinese on the table. Serving 15 at set number 5.
Wala, tignan mo siya.
Wala.
Given the fact that this match has gone over 2 hours tonight.
Service by
Wow.
Service on holiday daw po.
by Aya. Will be the attacker.
Alam, Mama, tignan mo po yung ano ko, oh. May cosmetics na po, tsaka po crafting. Pinagsama ko na po. And dito din po yung ano, oh.
She wants it.
Uy! Oh!
Bakit Tala? Ano yan?
Nagbago na.
Iwi was stuck in the Where? Seat shot lang po. Nasaan po? Oh, Kiwi!
Oh my God! Ano to? Oh my God!
Cauliflower Tala.
Saan yung holy flower?
Not just in Vietnam, but
Sino to?
Uy, ano to? Oh! May mga bago! Uy, ano to?
Dali, Tala ko na mo yan.
Checking in the serve.
Galing!
Gusto mo.
Galing!
Eh, sinabi po nagka-classic ka po, yaman niya na daw po. Mama, iyaman na daw po nagka-classic ka po.
Set up onto the right. Shot.
Nagplaka.
Alam mo, may exotic summer seed pack na po, oh.
Shot was crossed. Look backwards.
A sugar apple.
Sugar apple.
Continues. Tap. Dropping it.
chance for the Philippines.
Gia.
Nakala mo po si Tita Chacha nagsabi ko.
Jab. Met at the net.
Wala nang iba.
Gia. Philippines.
Lalag naman ako.
Outside.
Too much points saved by Chinese Taipei.
Green apple seed.
14-11.
That.
It's 14.
Wala na pong ano.
Let's see that replay.
Another piece of so near yet so
Mama,
far.
may pool na po.
Full extension
Saka po
for
slide.
Too much.
Eh, tignan mo po sa may shop ko.
Alrighty, that was
Yes, indeed. That
Hindi
shot
ko
was
nakakakuha.
a challenge.
Dito, boss.
Baka may bago sa
Wala, rewards. May reward ako.
before the
mga pankain dito, oh. Mga pankain.
Wala mama, binalik ko yung ano ko oh. Yung moonlit ko na egg. Mama, meron.
Oh, may ano yun?
Oh.
Uy, Bobby, nandito na yun, oh.
Kaya nga. Ano po yung sa pit ko ng blanket
Ala,
dito?
Bobby. Nagbago natin.
Ay, dito makakuha yung kapibara.
Saan?
Ito. Hindi ko po alam eh.
Gusto ko ng kapibara.
Pa? Mirror? Hindi ko alam eh.
Saan mo yun nakuha? Ayo.
It will be the first final stint by Team Philippines in Asian level tournament. And they win in 5-set battle.
Bobby, paano mo yan nakita yung nakuha yung mga kapibara? Wala akong kapibara eh.
Again, hats off to the national team worldwide. The renaissance of volleyball continues to bloom here in the Philippines. And we will be watching once again tomorrow as the Philippines
Rice
squares
ball.
up.
Langit.
9 p.m.
Gotta rest up.
9 p.m. tomorrow.
Ang ganda!
With Sophos, your future stays protected. Our technology silences cyber threats, and our experts stop attacks.
Dami ko na pong seed,
We
mama.
keep it quiet so you can keep it going.
Uy, wait! Ano yun?
That's Sophos.
May nakita akong coconut ko ah. Uy, Bobby, tingnan mo coconut ko.
Pa.
Energy. And para mabuhay.
Summer harvest reward.
Oh my, santo God.
Philippines down by 2. And you know once again,
Dada, oh!
and that regalo, definitely not wasted
Dada!
by China Nitura. You know, you look at all of these players, they're all leaders.
Dada, tingnan mo yung nakita ko.
Alien po.
She is a leader for DLSU. So that's the kind of composition we have. Good chase. Yes.
Oh my, beanstalk.
Hindi beanstalk.
Ito ba yun? Ano to?
Errors now coming from the
Alien like.
Uy, tingnan mo. oh. Dada!
I can see what they're trying to do here. A lot of those drop shots
Dada, tingnan mo. oh.
points earlier. Not able to successfully bring over the ball. This is not working in the favor of the Philippines. We're now tied 20 all.
Philippines.
Benta ko lang lahat.
Nagbibenta yung mga lagay-lagay.
Dami ko na kasing gamit.
Dalawa na po siya gaya apat.
Block.
Ha?
There's no follow through. Walang coverage from the Philippines. Indonesia gets the lead back.
Pa.
They're conduct. Very exciting. Very where the sport still. Will the Philippines walk away with a win? Or set win? Or will Indonesia live to see a fifth set?
Tingnan ng garden ng mama ko. Dora. Ayan, na-stop pa
Just
tayo.
have to be happy for
Bakit may hindi tumupuan?
your debut here in the international scene.
Serious? May stuck ba lang talaga tayo dito?
That's right.
Sabi ko sa'yo eh.
They're going to get there. Yoko not able to keep that alive.
Bobby, tingnan mo.
Wait, tignan mo nga tala o naglalag ako.
For international volleyball, we are covering
Hindi ako mamon.
what Shalina Nitura is all about. We all learned that in the UAAP in season 87. She's a unicorn.
Ano kaya mo?
Ito siya sulat ko yung assignment ko
That
kay
attempt was won by the Vega, the Hydra. So, as such,
Duray mo nga ito. W dapat eh. Unang mapang-unawa.
For Indonesia here in this
Ito.
fourth set. Let's see
Yung-
if Alas is able to hold
Itong L at saka G. Duray mo ba? W dapat yan eh.
Ito po, M. Tsaka
L at saka W.
Ha?
W dapat lalagay ko eh. No?
Hindi po si Tala po.
N tsaka G.
Ako?
Yan. W lalagay ko. Mapang-unawa. Last na sa pala. Kamay.
Ito yung gusto ko, Bobby.
Walang CD.
Ito. Galing na ito pala eh. Galing pala ng Grow the Garden. Grow the Garden. Ang lahaba ng beanstalk ko. May seed, Bobby, oh.
Banana.
Banana.
Cauliflower.
Cauliflower. Wala ba mo ni? Nag-iba na yung tugtog. Eh, bakit? Kalak. May harap ako. Dum. Bakit ang liit? Ang liit mo, Bobby. Ang liit mama ng coconut.
Coconut. Ano pong mirror? Ano po yan? Ano po yan, Dada? Dada? Ano po?
Isa ka yan mali natin. Ito lang.
Bobby, gusto ko nito. Bobby, gusto ko nito.
Hindi ko nilo.
Sabihin mo sa mama mo.
Ano nga?
Ito,
Binagyan mo na pangalan mo, ha?
Wait lang, Tala. Apa?
Hala, Bobby, wala tayo.
Ano po? Wala po tayo.
Bago si Dada, training me.
Training mirror? Ano po yun?
Sige, mag-isip mo tayo,
Dami natin.
Okay.
Bobby, sabihin mo sa mama mo. Ito, gusto ko nito.
Wala ka ng ganyan. Wala na nga ganyan eh. Gusto niya pa po ng gusto niya po ng pink lily. Wala kang ganyan eh. Mahirap yung kunin.
Hindi sabihin mo sa mama mo.
Wala, mahal yan. Mahal yan.
Bobby, gusto kong kunin.
Ano yan sabi niya, Bobby?
Yung mahal mo po na pink lily. Mama.
Ha?
Yung pink lily po. Gusto niya daw po kunin. Remote, di ko pa alam. Wala ko pa alam. Di ba may pink lily ka daw?
May pink lily ba? Ano ba kulay ng pink lily?
Pink nga eh.
Ha?
Pink nga eh. Kaya nga pink lily. Hindi po. Pink lily po.
Ito yung pink lily?
Okay na nga. Hindi daw yung nag-gift. Ayusin ko nga garden mo. Pangit.
Hindi ko alam eh. Hindi ko alam kung meron ba akong pink
Tala.
Oh.
Alisin mo na kaya natin yung obi mo. Aayusin tong garden mo eh. Dami mong blueberry.
Ikaw.
Wait lang po. Apa? Ular.
Tingnan ko. Ano?
Sampo. Sampo. Apa? Inaayos ko po farm ko po eh. Inaayos ko po farm ko po. Ano pa? Ay, paano po? Paano po? Ano po?
Uy, ang laki nito.
With the least fishy smell. It can be eaten by both the elderly and children. Many of you know that it is necessary to remove the shrimp's intestines because it is the shrimp's digestive tract. It is very dirty, containing a lot of shrimp feces and shrimp food, as well as harmful microorganisms. But you do not know the correct method to remove it effectively. Therefore, I will share with you some tips to quickly and effectively remove shrimp intestines. Let's watch the video. First method. Hold the shrimp head with one hand and hold the shrimp body with the other hand. Break it in half like this. Then squeeze the shrimp head a little harder. Then the stomach and liver inside the shrimp head will be pushed out. You can see it is very dirty. Then pull along to
Yan,
the shrimp
wala.
body. Thus, the shrimp line inside the shrimp body will also be completely pulled out. The parts taken out are all the shrimp intestines, then the liver and stomach. The long black line is the shrimp intestines with digested and undigested food residue. These things are very dirty, so every time you eat shrimp, you have to remove it. Remember to remove the sharp shrimp gun.
Okay.
It is very sharp if you are not careful. It is easy to poke your hand. Finally, cut off the shrimp whiskers. Where are you from? Please leave a comment to let me know. I did it again. Use each hand to hold the shrimp body and head. Break it in half and squeeze the shrimp brain. Then pull out the shrimp string. This method hardly changes the external shape of the
Taas
shrimp.
ah.
Many of you who like to eat shrimp heads can use this method to remove the shrimp vein. And you can keep the shrimp head. You should try it. Second method. Take a shrimp. Pull the shrimp shell on both sides of the shrimp head outward and break it in half a little. Then, pull the shrimp legs with
Lobat ka na ba?
Hold the shrimp head with the other hand and separate it. The shrimp head, internal organs, and intestines
Charger.
are removed together. The advantage of this method is that it is simple, crude, clean, and thorough. The disadvantage is that it affects the appearance and integrity of the shrimp. If you are in a hurry, this method can be used appropriately. Whether it is fresh shrimp or frozen shrimp,
Sino to?
it can be processed quickly and
Saan?
thoroughly. I will demonstrate
Baka may
with
nag-sing
you.
sa akin. Tita Lisa yan!
Tita Lisa Pro!
If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you can subscribe by clicking the subscribe button. It's great.
Wala, sayang ko si Tita Lisa. Di po siya nakaabot.
Next is the third method.
Hindi po. Opo, nandito po si Tita Lisa po ngayon.
In fact, the shrimp stomach is located on the shrimp. You have to remove it too.
Sa group po
Take
nino
a
po.
pair of scissors and cut diagonally along the base of the shrimp.
Bobby,
Cut hard. Then you gently
Bobby, gusto ko makuha yung kapibara.
It is easy to remove the
Wala
shrimp's
pa nga.
digestive tract.
Di pa nga binibigay yun ni John Jane.
Then just pull it out together in the shrimp.
Sige, kuha ka kapibara, pero may Robux siya.
Bread is very convenient and practical,
Gusto ko
and it
pa
does not
naman ng
require space.
kapibara.
May Robux yun eh, ma'am.
These pages
Susunod pa yung
I will do it
ibibigay.
again. Cut along the base of the shrimp. Use this part of the shrimp head to completely remove the shrimp's digestive tract. It is quick, but it does not keep the shape of the shrimp. What do you think of this method? Next, I will share the fourth method. First, we need to prepare a straw. The straw itself is enough.
Ay, Nutella
We
Princess
will
po.
use the sharp corner of the straw. No need for a long straw. If it is too long, you can shorten it. Then, hold the shrimp with one hand. Insert the straw between the shrimp head and the shrimp body. After inserting it, just pull it back. Remove the dirty part inside the shrimp head.
Lola, nagmamahal.
Nanonood ka ba niyan?
Hindi, tinitingnan ko lang. Tinitingnan ko eh.
Finally, hold your thumb or index finger and pull it out. You will see that the shrimp heads come out. Is it practical to use this method to remove the shrimp?
Tatanim ka na daw.
Hindi pa.
Friends who can't see clearly,
Di pa daw.
let's do it again.
Ibibigay ako kay Tita Lisa eh.
Combine seafood. Be sure to
Saan si Tita Lisa?
Dito, sa may ano.
Eh wait, like
Sa
ko
may
lang.
seed.
Like ko lang si Tita Lisa. Bobby, like mo si Tita Lisa.
Maya.
Next, memorize this process sequence
I-like nyo yung Tita Lisa.
Maya.
while still being delicious.
Kasi ano eh. I-like ko na siya. Isa lang yung likes niya.
Add salt to the shrimp.
Maya.
Add clean
Si
water
Tita
to
Lisa.
clean the shrimp. Salt is added to any fat to sterilize some bacteria adhered to the surface.
Laki po ng ano po ni
It is
Tita.
difficult to see with the naked eye, and simple cleaning is certainly not completely clean.
Tuwang-tuwa si Tita Lisa.
Reduce the amount of bacteria remaining on the surface
Ano yan?
surface of the shrimp to a Finally,
Ang laki pa ng
we
coconut ni Tita Liza.
several times.
Ala, mama. Yung kakao po ni Tita Liza, oh. Nagkakakao po siya. Ang dami pong gold ni Tita Liza.
Then add a little cooking oil.
Uy, yung pepper ko!
Use chopsticks to stir evenly so that each tender is evenly coated with cooking oil. This will provide
Bobby, oh.
nutrients from cooking the shrimp.
Tingnan mo.
It can also increase the deliciousness of the shrimp.
Hindi ko natulog na ako.
Tingnan mo, Bobby.
Ano nga?
Ito, hawak ko.
Di ko makita.
Ito, nakaharap ako.
Okay. Ano yan? Pepper.
Oh,
Okay.
pakita ko sa mama mo. Saan mama mo dito?
Dulo.
Hmm? Sa seed?
Wala. Wait lang. Kaayos pa ako ng farm ko.
Punta lang ako kay Dada. Ano kami mo, si Lola? Bakit mo ni-cycle to?
Hala, ikaw nagulot niyan. Hala, kinakain mo yung sticker. Hala, kinakain mo yung sticker.
Ay, baka ano ito, tabi mo na yan. Jersey mo. Ano sulat mo na. Ay, magwiwi ka muna kala.
Ma'am Lily. Asan si Tita Lisa? Bibi. Asan si...
Ay, ala, hindi ka maglilinis.
Uy, Tala, di ka daw maglilinis?
Ikaw?
Linis ka muna.
Sige.
Hindi na, para ma-press ko magtulog.
Nasaan po si Tita Liza? Ano po yun? Bakit pa? Nasaan po si Tita Liza? Bigyan ko po kayo si Tita Liza ng live. Hindi naman po nabibigay yung egg eh. Binibigyan po ni Tita Chacha po si Tita Liza po ng egg. Kasi po. Kaya pe. Da. Sino Tita Liza? Tita Liza?
Ano, baby, yung Jay, para magluto ka?
Pe.
Babi, hindi ang lima lang ba?
5 po?
Kasi may sabang space, hindi mo
Po.
Boy, pag pinulak mo sa size yan.
David! Sabihin mo nga bakit nagtatawag sila. Sabi,
Mama mo. Hindi pa.
mama mo,
Mama mo.
mama mo.
Bigay mo rapot sa akin.
Lalo mo lang magsuot ng damit, diba?
Ikaw na leader na.
Nagpunasan mo na eh. Nagano ka eh. Ano naman ito, pinunas mo sa sahig eh.
Ito ba yung tama?
Bakit?
Sabi, hindi ko naman si Dada.
Lala, paano po yan? Hanggang 5 lang po kasi. Pa.
Basta, wala kang tawin, pero kaya sa akin.
Alam, ma'am, may ano po, windstruck na po. Kaya pala po, ano po, medyo foggy. Mama, nag-fog po, oh.
Baliktad?
Baliktad mo. Yan, ganyan.
Pa.
May cauliflower ba?
Wait lang pa.
Itali mo na kami kasi kita mo lalagay.
Ha?
Sama mo ito.
Ha? Parang kayo. Sabi, ganyan din sila.
Meron ka ng training mirror?
Mirror, wala po. Wait. Ano po yun? Training.
Training mirror. Ano mo, sinend ko. Basahin mo.
Akin to wala.
Saan ba kayo?
Hindi kasi training mirror.
Ayun. Bakit kayo nandun?
Mama. Wait lang pa. Hindi po. Tita Chacha po yung nag-output.
Bigyan mo tayo sila isa.
Bobby, ano to?
Ay, si Tala din po meron pong training mirror.
Wala.
Meron ka, yan o. No, wala.
Yes.
Here, yes, right now. Wala akong training. Wala akong nun. Wala akong nun, Bobby.
Meron ka nga, ayan o, training mirror. Ayan o, pangalan yan, training mirror.
Wala nga akong ganyan. Ano to?
Meron kang ganyan sa gear shop mo.
Ano to, Bobby? Ano tawag to?
Cleaning spray, wag mo yung bilhin. Hindi mo alam yung gamitin eh. Ano kaya yung lalagay?
Sige, hanapin mo yung ganito ko.
Wait lang, naglalagyan ko Ember Lily.
Pwede ko nang lagay mga ano ko. Oh,
Ay,
Bobby, hanapin mo yung ganito ko kung meron ako.
hindi. Meron ka nga niyan sa gear shop.